Hello everyone, welcome back to the Style News Network. So today we're going to be taking a look at some more gorgeous hairstyles that you can wear this year. We kick things off with this jaw length style classic bob. This one does feature bangs in the front. Look how much shine her hair has. Such a cute classic hairstyle. Definitely giving model vibes. So moving into look number 2, we have a full transformation. And she spiced things up with some color. This is definitely making me just think of Jamaica, honestly, like the black with the green there going there. But it's a little bit of blue mixed into. Color combo is super cute. And she has that 90s classic mushroom pixie shape with the long sideburns. Also, I just want to say, if you guys aren't familiar with this trend, it is called the color pop trend. And it's where you have a section of hair that is featuring color. So you can do pretty much any color you want. I like the trifecta that she has going here with the mix of the 3 different colors. Really creates a nice, unique hairstyle. So moving on to look number 3, we have another haircut transformation. Looks like she's getting some layers here. Oh, wow. Look at this. Her hair just looks so bouncy and full. The layers really just added more shape and volume to the hair. Beautiful volumized bob. And I like the color too. It's like a really soft chocolate brown. Now next up, I thought this was pretty cool. So she is going to be doing a wig install here. I love the color combination, the dimension of this blonde here. I actually think I have the same wig. It's by Umbrella Hair. Yeah, it looks like it might be the same one. So she is attaching the wig to her hair by using, what is this method called again? Crochet. No, I was drawing a blank there. But she's using the crochet method to weave in her hair into the wig. Now, I've never seen this done before, but this might be a new little hack to try out because it looks like a sew-in. Like the way her hair mixes in with the wig just looks so natural. So yeah, we might want to try this one out. Yeah, I definitely have that same wig. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.